everybody. Welcome to the Pretty Bird flock. Pretty Bird is very much enjoying her refreshments on this hot summer evening. And then if you saw the last video, which I did just a couple minutes ago, you'll know why her bandana is hanging down like this. Pretty Bird, are you coming? Come on. Are you coming? Oh, big bird! Yay! All right, Dee Dee, go ahead and run. Call her. Go, go, go! Come on, go, go! Go, 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 go! Go, go, go! Come on, quick, quick! Go, go! Go, 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 Chet! Go, go! Oh, she's yelling at you, Dee Dee. Were you chasing? Good job, Pretty Bird. You want to go back, Pretty Bird? You want Dee Dee to run back? Do you want Dee Dee to run back? What is your bandana bugging you? Why? Good girl. Good girl, Pretty Bird. All right, Dee Dee. Let's go back so Pretty Bird can get her water. Are you ready? Are you coming? Pretty Bird, are you coming? Let's go, come on. Let's go slowly for just a minute so she can start coming this way. Come on, Pretty Bird. Go ahead, Dee Dee. Go in front of me and go. Go, 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 go. Go, 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 go. Go, 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 Pretty Bird, go. Yay, Pretty Bird, good girl. Come on, Dee Dee, over here. Come get your water, Pretty Bird. Yeah. Well, you can't take a bath in that little water. We're actually going to head home here in a minute. We're going to start working on her backyard and get her pool ready. And then you guys are going to get a fun video of Pretty Bird diving in an 8-foot by 8-foot store-bought pool. So it's going to be a couple of days probably to get the yard ready, but it'll be worth it. It'll be fun.
I can't wait to go in a pool.
Oh yeah, it'll be fun. Remember last year when Pretty Bird was swimming with you guys? Huh, Dee Dee? That's pretty funny, right? What are you doing? No biting the phone. And no biting Mama. No, no, no. 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 Mama's not messing with your water. It's okay. See, Pretty Bird has her sassy moments sometimes. And then that's what I do. I just keep her from being able to do anything, and she calms down. Now, that's really rare, guys. You just saw just about the worst that she'll do. When she gets an attitude, she doesn't want to be messed with, she wants a break or whatever. So she gets nippy for a second. Or she saw something that made her nervous, so she nips at me because she wants me to pay attention to it.
Pretty Bird, hi. Hi. Yes, hi. Hi. Pretty Bird just screamed into my face.
She's trying to take a bath. Watch, look.
Don't worry,
You see, Dee Dee?
You'll be able to take a big bath.
Oh, yeah. Pretty Bird will probably be able to splash in that pool before you guys.
Pretty Bird will be so happy when we actually finish the pool.
Right?
Is she actually gonna sit in there?
I wouldn't be surprised if she tried. Hey guys, look. Are you trying to step in your water? Pretty bird, I think you're too big for that. I think you're too big for the water. Oh, big bird. Pretty bird is so silly, huh, Dee Dee?
Yeah.
Oh, pretty bird. Silly goose. Are you a silly goose? Are you a silly goose? Oh, pretty bird. Oh, you closed it. You closed part of your water and you're spilling it. What are you doing? What are you doing? Your mama get you some more water. Here, Dee Dee.
Yeah.
Can you record for a minute?
Yeah,
For the
sure.
pretty bird flock?
Oh, big bird.
Oh, yes. The pretty bird flock loves it when she spreads her wings. Huh, Dee Dee?
Yeah.
Here you go, pretty bird. Ooh. Oh, nice. Oh, nice. She's like, no, not on my back. I want it in my bowl.
She spilled some water on Pretty Bird just to cool her off. It is really hot outside right now.
Well, it's getting a little bit better, though, right?
Yeah.
It's actually starting to cool off pretty quickly. The funny thing, though, about putting water on Pretty Bird is that it's not going to do much unless you really get it under her feathers onto her skin, because her feathers are mostly waterproof. Here, Pretty Bird. I'm going to take this off while you take a bath. Oh, you just dumped all your water. Big bird. Big bird. Oh, pretty. So pretty. Yeah. Pretty bird. Record the goose.
Oh, sorry.
Oh, pretty bird. So pretty. Now she's getting herself nice and oiled up.
Oh, sorry.
It's okay. This is why it's so hard to help Pretty Bird cool off when it's hot out or warm out, because she's all oiled up using that oil duct right there that's exposed. Y'all see it. There you go. See? She activates it, stimulates, rubs her head on it, and then she starts spreading it all over her feathers using her beak and her head. How cool is that? And the goose will do this for a very long time because they try to get it on every feather. Oh, pretty. I love how she rolls her head around. Isn't that just so cute? Look at that. So pretty. Big bird!
Found a leaf ring.
Cool. Pretty bird? Pretty bird. Do you want to go home? Do you want to go home? Pretty bird. Do you want to go home? Do you want to go home? Are you coming? She's like, I'm busy.
Mom, there's a spider on our bag.
Is it a big one or a little one?
Little. Very little.
Alrighty. Let's see. Look at that, guys. Up. Let's see. Is it gonna? There you go. We got an itty bitty spider there. And they jump. Those are the ones that jump. We don't like you, those ones. Alright, watch out, Dee Dee.
Huh?
Watch out.
Okay. You broke my stick. Slightly broken it.
Alright. Backpack is spider free now. Pretty Bird, you ready to go? Are you ready to go? Yeah? Alright. Pretty Bird. Pretty Bird. Say bye-bye, Pretty Bird flock. Say bye-bye, Pretty Bird flock. Say we'll see you later. Hopefully in the next video, Pretty Bird will be swimming in our pool. That would be so much fun, right? Say bye, Pretty Bird flock.
Bye, Pretty Bird flock.
Pretty Bird, say bye-bye, everybody. Say we love you guys. Don't forget to hit that like button if you enjoyed this video today, if you enjoyed seeing Pretty Bird. And subscribe to the channel if you'd like to see more videos of Pretty Bird, the pet goose. Yay! Also, leave a comment. We love to read your comments and we love to reply to your comments. And share the videos with your friends and your family. We hope to just share the joy that we experience with our pet goose, Pretty Bird. And make everyone happy the way that she makes us happy. So y'all have a wonderful day. We hope you're all doing okay, that you're happy and healthy and safe. And don't forget to wash your hands, okay, guys? All right. Love you guys. See you next time. Pretty Bird said bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Bye, Pretty Bird.